Today we are going to make a PPT using a Keynote where we are going to use a magic move so you can see the object how we can move and how we can animate them. Okay, so let's start. First we will open a Keynote, new document. We will choose a blank theme with a white background. Okay, we will change the widescreen. Okay, we will delete first this element and we will write here any name like I'm writing letter. Okay, so it's done and you can change font format and we can change font, paragraph styles and here is a font and I am choosing as always Times New Roman. Okay, so now we are adding another slide which would be two images. So this is how we will delete one image from here. Okay, so this was two images. Now we need images of a flutter. So let's go images. Okay, so from here I am taking this logo and that was one feature that you can drag and drop here easily. It's done. We will change the background color into a black, or we can choose any other color, but this PPT we are taking a white color right now and I have to take another image. So I am taking a flutter bar. Oh, sorry. So in these images I will take mobile vector. Okay. Okay, so I'm choosing this board. Let's simply drag and drop them here. Okay, it's done. Okay, now we select the first one and second one board and we will go to the animate, add effect and magic move. That was applied it, you can see here, it will change here and we will give it duration 1.25 seconds and is in is out and for this time we are taking a on click animation so we can use it better. Now what we have to do, first zoom out. So there was one space, so what you have to do, select this board, hit command C command V and copy paste here. Now you have to move them here. And we will add his image here. And now we have to copy this flutter on top of it. Okay, now we'll play it. This was flutter, and you can see how this object is coming once again. So this is your magic move. So using that you can make more much thing better.